So just before I show you the can implosion trick, just to let you know what it's all about, it's about pressure. So pressure is caused by a collision of particles on the containers of the wall. And so there's air pressure on the outside of the can, and there's air pressure on the inside of the can. And so what we do is we heat it up. And so as we heat it up, all those particles escape, and there's hardly any particles left inside the can. Then we cool it down rapidly. That means all the collisions are on the outside, and the air pressure from the outside crushes it. So the air pressure on the outside is equal to the air pressure on the inside, but because there's hardly any particles inside. So just one more thing. So as you can see, the higher you go, this is all this weight of all these air particles are pushing down on the can around 1 atmosphere, around 101 kilopascals. And the pressure from the air is made up of all the different components. So that's about 100. So about 20% of it's from oxygen, and about 80% of the pressure comes from nitrogen molecules hitting the inside and outside of the can. So this is the can implosion. So there's air pressure everywhere. And so what we've done here is, see that? It is heated up gas. And so the gas expands, and so there's very little particles in there. When we put the can into the cold water, the gas compresses, and so there's a vacuum created, and the outside air pressure pushes down, and the can implodes.